Here it is, ladies and gents, boys and girls, children of all ages. How do I look? I know I look good because I really haven't been doing much of anything for anybody. Tell me I don't look good, so I know I'm looking good. Boys and girls, I know you looking good also. Hoping able to get some fresh air in you. Hoping that you've been able to get outside a little bit, but stay social distance, stay away from each other, follow the rules. You know me. I want you to follow the rules. And as we're talking about follow the rules, we are on day 6. You got it. Day 6 of solving equations with radicals. And our rules have not changed. When you want to solve an equation, you do the inverse operation. You do the opposite. So now we're going to throw you a little bit of a curveball. We've got operations outside the parentheses. So, gonna keep you up to bat. We've touched on this a little bit. We're gonna bring it back. We're gonna throw some new, throw some old. We're gonna keep you on your toes. Here we go. I want to get my radical by itself, -3 on both sides. So, what's left? Why would I choose -3? Remember, I'm not looking at this. This plus belongs to the radical. I'm looking at here. This is a +3. I want to make the +3 go away, so I'm going with a -3 to make that happen. The only thing left on this side is root x. 9 minus 3 is 6. How do I get rid of a square root? What is the opposite of a square root? You said it. Square both sides. I know you said it. I know you did. It's, even if you just said it in your head, you're talking back to a video. I know you are. Here we go. Square root of x squared is just plain x. X comes out to be 36. Did I square a negative number? Nope, I did not. So I'm not really worried about this not working. Here we go, number 2. I've got 2 times the square root of x. I divide by 2 on both sides of the equation. I've got 2 divided by 2, bing, bang, boom, daggone. I got root x equals 5. How do I get rid of a square root? You know it. Square both sides of the equation. Square root squared gives me just x. X comes out to be 25. You know it, boys and girls. Here we go. Square root of x minus 7. I got to get the square root of x by itself. How am I going to do it? You said it. I'm going to add 7 to both sides of the equation. So here we go. Plus 7 minus 7, that's 0. The only thing left over here is the square root of x. 3 plus 7 is 10. Square both sides. X equals 100. You know it. Here we go. We haven't hit one of these in a very long time, boys and girls. So again, going back to what I know. When I see a positive, when I see addition, I subtract. When I see multiplication, I divide. When I see subtraction, I add. When I see, what do I see? That's right. Don't think this is a fraction. Think operations. I see division. So, on both sides of these equations, I am going to multiply by 5. Times 5, by. We've talked about this a lot, boys and girls. This should not be new to you. I've got root x equals 15. Square both sides. X is 225. How did I know that? Because I'm cool. And if you practice your math as much as I did when I was your age, you'd be cool too. All right, guys, stay safe, stay healthy. I know it's tough to stay inside all the time as the weather's getting a little bit warmer. Take care of yourselves. You need anything, reach out to me, teacher, administrator, somebody, so we can get you straightened out and get through these last couple of weeks of this stuff. All right, guys, take care.